coffee, but this is so fucking early. I went to a meet yesterday and met Hoagie Haulers officially, and that was pretty cool, but fucking beat. So I need coffee first, and then after coffee we're going to Pepboys because I need oil, and I need an oil filter for the BMW because this is back on the road again. Summer's here and gotta be cool with it. So we're gonna cut to Starbucks now.
It's aroma roasted coffee made from mountain grown beans, richly roasted and finely ground for great waking up aroma.
Say, what kind of janky ass shit is this? Give me a dome lid on an iced coffee. Alright, which one? This one's yours. Oh, ice coffee. Starbucks is slipping. Dome lids. Just noticed there's a cop over there, and your boy's riding dirty. I ain't got no inspection stickers on this. Just a good vibe sticker. So yeah, let's hope that I'm not get caught.
Pepboys, what you want, what you want, what you want?
Having an older BMW is the lack of cup holders. It sucks a lot. Alright, off the Pepboys. I feel like I live here. I'm always buying something for this car. Keep the cup holder. $106 later. Oil and all the shit I need. Alright, so I don't know if you can see it, but I spent $106 in here.
Damn!
I got two 5-quart jugs of Mobil 1, an oil filter, a grease gun, because I have sway bar links with grease fittings on them. Yeah, hopefully they don't fail. But my boy Chris in there, he's working. He comes over to me to say what's up. I'm thinking, oh shit, this is my opportunity to get a discount. No, didn't even offer it. I asked, he didn't say yes. He just said no, what I look like, so. It is what it is. Thanks, Chris. $106. I still love you though. They're out here, look. Trying to catch your boy. It's not happening. Alright, y'all, so real quick, I want to show you how bad the potholes are in Philadelphia. Philadelphia has the worst roads in probably the whole entire world. Like that, I don't know if you can see how crazy this is, but it's like a fucking ramp. Oh, some car is gonna fall in there. UPS truck, SEPTA bus, or something. That is ridiculous.
1, 2, 3, come on! We got DJ Cool and Duck Get Fresh. Rock it to the beat, cause we are the best. We got Ducky Fresh and Biz Marquis.
Oil filter cap. Takes a 36mm socket.
Jump, 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 jump. Everybody jump, 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 jump. Come on, listen. So y'all know how to do this.
With the 17mm. Can't tell you how important it is to have the right socket.
I know. So y'all might get witness. Some of y'all won't listen.
Alright, so that's how you do your oil change. I'm not going to waste your time and act like this is a how-to video. Shouldn't be. And if you don't know how to do your oil change, look up another YouTube video. That's all I got to say. But last night I got to meet Hoagie Haulers officially, and it was a car meet. Raymore and Flanagan down in South Philly. Awesome. A lot of burnouts, a lot of house party music. But I realized all the videos that I took were videos of me walking. I completely pulled a fucking dad and got no content whatsoever. Just feet walking. So yeah, follow Hoagie Haulers, subscribe to them, subscribe to me, comment on my videos, like my videos, and share this video. Share it as much as you can. And yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.